ain't at war with myself, I just called a truce. I pray to God to keep the peace, I still let it loose. Pasadena, California, thought you niggas knew. Right at the top of Los Robles, nigga, what it do? Station wagon, turn the caddy tire, spin off.
What is up, guys? It is, I think, my last day in Bangalore, India, my hometown, and we're going to be heading back to UK. But before that, we're doing a small workout with our boys, and we're just going to meet with one of our friends who is going to be taking us to this workout ground where they do this old Indian style wrestling. So we're going to be training over there today. But just before that, we're going to get some electrolytes because it's in the morning and we haven't eaten anything. So it's like working out on an empty stomach. Completely new. Still it's going.
Sometimes some people will come bro morning, they'll have the keys. Keys if it is out, lucky. No, but full wet bro place.
Oh damn. How long have you been training here for now? How long have you been training here for? Yeah. 6-7 years.
This place is almost
You got parallel bars over here.
80 years old place.
Yeah.
80 years. So
Damn.
it's from 90s, I'm not sure which year. It was from 90s. So there's a person called Sharmaji.
It may sound weird, okay?
Yeah.
I think it's better if we take off our shoes, work out bare feet. But is there like a tap to wash then afterwards and wear?
There's a well, you can take a water by yourself and you can wash it.
Yeah. It may sound weird.
Oh, you think that's weird?
That's what I'm saying. But that's an option.
We do it bare only.
Yeah. And then they have this. They have this area over here.
No gym, no.
So what are you supposed to do? You dig this up, no?
Yeah, we have different.
You dig this up?
Ads for this.
Yeah.
So this one is used for
Leveling
after
it.
doing that,
Yeah.
leveling up.
Okay.
So you have to put in your shoulders and walk with it. That also will give you a massive strength. for your
Oh,
legs.
nice.
You're
Nice.
putting it,
Yeah.
right? So yeah.
So this is all the old school Indian style of working out. They're almost it's inspired by farmers. What is this?
There is one more similar to this I saw in
Yeah.
Shivajinagar.
Okay. I think that Pelwans like that kind.
An akhada.
Yeah, akhada. Yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah, I was just thinking of the word.
Now it's like all damaged, before it was all proper.
Damn, this is some old. This is a old.
You can just see this dumbbells too.
Yeah.
It is like made up of cement and all.
Damn, bro. Okay.
Normal ones.
Okay.
You want to know how much weight it is, but
Yeah.
it's crazy to work out with this.
Damn. Okay.
And even this bench level, you can see all with the still they are building.
This is really old.
Yeah.
Damn. If they maintain this, it would be nice. But they have the.
Used to maintain. People used to come and stay from Haryana and all. The one who used to, this is called Gada.
Gada. They've got that. We'll be doing. We'll try to get some workout in. Okay. Awesome, bro. Damn. Okay. We'll start.
They used to come for match.
Yeah.
From Haryana and all. Or them for stay. See, he's the person who's in charge, who is in badminton. He's the main person. Okay. So his students only these people are.
Oh.
He's
Okay.
the one.
When I stopped everything, but
Yeah.
I was like following you, Hema, and everyone.
Yeah.
Then later I got to know about Junaid.
Yeah.
So Junaid was working in Citizen Park.
Ah.
Then I met him and I got close to him. So then the community started building in Citizen Park.
Okay.
And from there I got to know about Bilal.
Ah.
So we were doing the calisthenics. You're recording?
I'm recording.
Okay.
Yeah, just put.
Then record. I'll also post that. I don't know. Just it's like impromptu.
Yeah. No, that's the thing. It's the beauty of the Cali community.
Yeah.
We Start off solo.
Actually, because of this guy, I have started, and he only motivated us.
Hey.
And the first thing when I saw Ashwin, I thought, okay, I am being transparent. Okay, I thought that he's a big guy. He's not going to teach anything or not going to tell us. But the way he approached me, the way with what I can say, very softly, the way he explained everything, I was like, seriously, how can he be having so many skills and so
No, bro.
freely advising?
That's
So it was
the humility,
no,
bro. That's the
seriously, I
humility,
was
bro.
very much appreciated when that day.
And we have Ashok over here representing the old T-shirt of ours.
Yeah, it feels so
Still-
good.
still this
after
thing.
2 years wearing this back.
He's got, everyone has one. Even I have mine, but mine's in the UK, so everyone has one. So,
Thanks,
I didn't got
Ashwin.
mine.
Like, you're the one who, like, introduced the calisthenics and all.
hey.
Even Emma as well. So
Thank you so much, guys.
It just started with pull-ups and now it's like muscle ups and all. I'm happy with all those skills.
So
Many
I
people
would-
didn't know calisthenics name only. You people like made it a huge difference. What people can really do in life. That's what you all thought.
That's the goal at the end of the day. It's about lifting everybody up. And today we have a killer session planned. Ashok's going to show us most of the stuff though, because this is his gym. We are in his territory. All new things. He's got huge. What are these truck tires? He's got huge truck tires. We're going to do tire flips. Or what are we going to do? Tire
It's
flips.
like hammers.
We
two
got to do
different,
sledgehammers as well.
Which weighs 2 different weights.
Yeah.
So you can do with this. It's completely for your shoulders.
Shoulders.
And arms
Yeah.
workout.
Okay.
So I'll just show you first.
Yeah.
So there are 2 types. One is like you just do like this. Switch this.
Yeah.
Just continuous without any change.
Yeah. Damn. Look at this guy. He's on fire. Okay.
This is the heavier one.
And he's already gassed out. He's already gassed out after that. These sort of gyms are normally set up for like people who are not able to afford like premium gym memberships, or normally it's like the villagers over here, people who cannot go to one of these big gyms but want to compete in sports. So this sort of gym is set up by the local community, local government to help provide some sort of facility for them.
And we used to do.
How are you feeling?
Man,
Crazy?
that really takes it out of you. I don't have the proper technique. Ashok did it.
Yeah,
I'm just like raw, like brute forcing it,
true.
but I can already feel it. So, this is one of the best old school, what do you say, supplements
are
that we get in India. ORS, Electrol. So this, if anybody faints, anybody has get cramps,
Whatever
anything,
this is going to
they mix this in water and that's it. Boom, you're sorted.
like drinking juice. Drink this.
So this is the best. You don't need any
Sponsored.
soda. Not sponsored by any of them. This is really, really old school. Let's mix this in over here. Come on, Ashok. Let's see how it is. This is not Colombian. This is not Colombian. This is Karnataka.
This is our kind of drug.
So this is the only drug that we do. I think one is enough, right?
Yeah, it's more than
Just give it a shake, and then boom, we're ready to go. In the meanwhile, what have we got here now, Ashok?
This is called Gada.
Hmm.
Gade. We tell in Kannada Gade.
Ah,
Called Gada. So it's completely for your upper body.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Nothing to do with lower body.
yeah,
Just stand and you just hold it like this.
yeah,
So holding it like this.
yeah.
Complete rotation of your shoulders.
Yeah.
As well as which will give you forearms and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, it should be like this. And your hands behind.
One smooth rotation. Is it a bit heavy or
No.
it's okay? It's controllable.
And both the hands. Left arm not, but you'll be able to do.
We said we would do some skills today in calisthenics,
Yeah,
but
that's right.
looking at this itself, I feel like I'm more interested in this.
This, yeah,
It's always good to try new stuff. So
So let's.
We are open to it.
Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I go this way and then here. Huh?
No, and from the head.
Right is this way. From behind you. Behind. Yeah.
Behind, then go straight. No, Ashwin, straight.
Okay. So wait, hold on. So
It should come from above your head.
like this. Huh? Just hold. Damn, he made it, bro. Just hold it.
Yeah.
Full arm stand. Steady. Full steady. Look at the Gade.
Yeah.
Just I should be on that. Exactly. Should be like this.
Damn, he made it look so easy.
So,
Wow, almost.
Come on, bro. One slow rep.
oh,
Don't go fast. Hold it tight. Slow rep. Yes. You got it. Getting the balance.
yeah.
Okay. Now this all about your grip, bro.
Now this one, we go from behind our head.
See. This side. Like this. Okay. So I go here. Yeah. You should have that grip. You should come and stop it, friends. Okay. You can stretch it a bit. No problem at all. You got it.
Crazy.
Easy.
Done.
Oh shit. That was this guy, man. Hats up to this guy.
Yeah,
He
truly.
made it look so easy. Yes, sir. We did it. All the boys did it. But seriously, bro, the arms, the shoulders,
Everything.
woo!
Where, bro? I can't see tummy. Where's the tummy? Where's the tummy?
See now.
Tummy. You're putting it out. There's no tummy at all. This is called Indian color, huh?
Indian
Whenever you come to India, there will be difference.
Man, I just gotta say, so glad we all have met up. We're doing this. I can already feel those shoulders like pumped, super pumped. What do you feel, bro, man? How is it?
Already I'm feeling it. I can't show
Ah.
because I have tummy.
So nice. Exactly the dot car it is.
See, just show them, the Berserk. In the band of sacrifice.
Very famous guy. Old school ink. It's called.
Shout out to Old School Ink.
Yeah.
He gave me this tattoo.
Crazy
Ashok
tattoo.
introduced me to him.
Yeah.
So
This tattoo which I have got it in my arms.
Yeah.
It was not even visible before. I
Yeah.
got it somewhere else.
yeah,
And second layer he did.
Yeah.
And he made it visible.
look at that.
That's how we did.
Okay, normally little darker skin people, tattoos, they don't stand out a lot. So you need a good artist who knows and understands dark skin. Yeah, why does this video suddenly turn into a tattoo advice? So now we're done with the shoulder stuff, with the old school stuff. We are moving on to the rope now. What's that, bro? My nails, bro. So these guys are fine. My toenails are painted. This is not me. This is my wife and my sister-in-law. I was asleep and I wake up and I have this. And then they're like, oh, we need to this thing. And so they put a nude nail polish on my hand as well. So nice. So
Very nice.
do not think my orientations have changed, please. I'm still super straight.
So Ashwin, the thing is like it should be a explosive pull-ups, not muscle up. Okay? Come on, go for it. Yeah, high as possible. Let's see. Up. Crazy. Crazy. Nice one. Oh shit. Shit.
Damn, bro. Even though this bar's grip is not the best,
Yeah, that's what. Because
feel
of
like
that,
you have to-
I also.
you have to pull as much as you can. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Let's see that. Let's see the chest. Chest above the chest. Lower chest to the bar. Come on. Nice. Again. Oi. Till here. That was good, bro. You're trying, bro, Junaid? Come on.
I just high practice. No?
Come on, bro.
High, come on.
Come on, Junaid. Chest to the bar at least. Come on.
Come on. Easy.
Hey! There we go. Come on, Ashok. Ashok is going to just explode. No muscle up, okay? No muscle up. High pull up.
Ashwin, he'll just jump and stand there.
Come on, Ashok.
Oh, nice. Explosive, Ashok.
There we go. Get that swing going. Get that swing going. Now. Oi! Save your energy, bro, for the rope now. Enough. I think power is just your technique. If you get your technique down, we are good. Okay. Now we're going to do some rope climbs. Man, that's really going to test our grip strength. And how is this rope? Is this... Okay, it's good. It's quite good.
It's good, it's soft enough, but sometimes you'll feel better. Rough one is better than soft one because
Yeah.
when you're going top completely,
It becomes...
steps will be easy.
Yeah.
After going,
Yeah.
when you're exhausted, you'll be pulling. No.
Yeah.
You won't get the proper grip.
Grip,
but
yeah.
the rough ones,
Yeah.
it's like crazy.
It digs into your skin. It digs into your hands and then like...
Completely.
I think all Cali athletes have these calluses. How many of you guys? Let's see who has... Okay, everyone's calloused up. Oh shit! He's already... He's got the badges.
When he's gone.
Yours is gone. You need to earn it again. Come on.
Yes, nice. Keep going.
Yes. Good, you got this, bro. Go for it.
Come on.
Come on. You got it. Come on, bro. Come on, you got this, bro. You got this. Yes.
Come on,
Yes.
Let's go. Up.
He's slipping.
Oh.
It's very slippery, bro.
We'll try here only better.
Yeah.
You can go, bro.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's a challenge for your grip, bro.
Yeah.
Come on, Ashwin.
Oh,
Let's go. Oh.
Nice one, bro. One more. Come on. Awesome. Boy, look at this, bro. He's giving everyone a takkar. Come on, Junaid. Show us. Lift with your glutes. Come on. Yeah. Lift. Use your legs. Fast. Come on. There you go. That's all about this Cali brotherhood. It's about pushing each other. How does that feel?
amazing.
How does that feel, huh?
Super.
That's it. Nobody left behind.
Yeah.
Ashok's inspired me.
Yeah.
I want to do
Let's
another
Yeah.
this thing. 3, 2, 1.
Push. Yeah.
Hey, super. Super, bro.
What are we doing next?
So So Hindu push-ups.
Yeah.
Basically, it's called Dandabasti in our language.
Yeah.
Indian language. So 3 types are there in this.
Yeah.
One on ground you're doing.
Yeah.
Then we can use this to like.
Okay.
This only is the equipment. This
Yeah.
is the stone and this outpiece.
Yeah.
According to me, I have seen this outpiece 10 years ago. I don't know how much it is. 10 years ago. So this when we used to do puja for the garden banana, we used to do for this also. It's like that.
Okay.
For the Dandabasti. So
Okay.
first I'll do the floor one.
Okay.
Then this, then the stone.
Okay, you're going to demonstrate. Okay, let's go, bro.
Let's go.
So when you're going this, when you're pushing this, you should go drag it like this and come back with this.
So you're taking your legs back.
Yeah, dragging it.
Got it.
Let's go like this.
This is how most of these wrestlers normally they train. They do around 1,000 of these. More than 1,000 apparently is what Ashok is saying. So this is just a sort of a light trailer into what these Pahlwans, they call them, wrestlers, normally do.
Yeah. Just like a frog, bro. Just like frog. No more down. One button is on the banner. If you do, if you don't, if you don't do.
Not jumping, dragging.
Drag, yeah. Again, while coming also drag, yeah.
And look up to the sky. Look up to the sky when you do this thing.
One, yeah.
Ah,
1 second pause, bro.
pause. Now.
That's how we do.
Good session. Good session. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you for introducing us to this crazy place and these new sort of. If you look at it, it's all body weight exercises only. We call it calisthenics. Other people call it something else. But at the end of the
We
day,
can proudly say that these are Indian exercises.
These are Desi Indian exercise.
yeah.
Anyone can come. You can come anytime. You can do. You can use the equipment. You should just be like you're loyal to this workout. Will give you a result very soon.
Definitely,
That's for sure.
definitely,
So yeah,
definitely.
we have to encourage such places and grow more than gyms. That's what I would like to suggest.
Definitely, bro. Yeah.
If you go to gym, even a beginner can in 1 month learn variations and can go from 5 kg to 10 kg.
Yes.
But if you come here, it's not that easy. But once if you learn, now I came here after 2 years. I'm 2.5 years. I'm coming here.
Yeah.
I feel little bit weak, but I have that all variations and stuff.
Your muscle memory is still there.
Yeah, it's all raw.
These are all dynamic exercises.
Muscle memory as well as the strength, what he's talking about.
It's all raw power. That's it.
Raw strength, yeah.
That's good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And that's it. Signing out. Take care. Bye bye.
So these things, it's fine, bro.
Well,
Now that we have completed the workout, our feet are all muddy and dirty.
yeah.
And Ashok shown us there's a small well over here. The water looks a bit mucky, but it's
How
fine.
much ever you take the water, it keeps coming.
Oh,
That's how it is. In summer, it might go a little bit down.
yeah,
It will get dry,
yeah.
but full like like well water only. This is
There's
not
a
like
reservoir
well
over
water.
there. Yeah,
It's not easy to take. You have to put it like this, and you have to let it go.
fill it up. Huh?
Yeah. It seems to be like dirty, but it's not. Because of the
Surface of the
color.
water.
Just like that.
Yeah,
You can just take.
yeah. So just
it.
wash our
People
feet.
take bath in this water.
I'm ready to take. Not now. Like
I know.
this is actually
Wow.
better than the chemical.
Thank you,
water.
Ashok.
Ashok will try it again, no? Next time.
What, bro?
Come again.
Yeah, come
again next.
You come anytime. I'll only put message in
When
the
are you
box.
planning to come back, bro? Ashwin again?
Me. Let's see, bro. Next year maybe, hopefully.
Next year, okay.
Next
Bro,
year.
you come and no excuse, bro. We'll do
Yeah.
calisthenics in here. If you want, we'll make it like a proper event, bro. If you plan,
Done, bro. Done.
we'll do like
Done.
an event.
Hopefully your boy is sponsored by some companies. Then I'll arrange some
And we need some aerial company sponsor.
Ariel Tide. If you're looking at this,
God's picture is there, bro.
we would like it if you can sponsor us.
Please, we need.
We'll do a proper workout in the mud, get super dirty.
And we'll bring all.
We'll bring all white clothes. We'll wear all white clothes, white t-shirt, white pants,
Going full colorful.
and then we'll give you good advertisement content.
Yeah.
So next when we come, we will also clean this place, bro. This plastics and all, no, bro.
Good initiative. Good initiative by Junaid.
I'll just
That's
get
what we need.
certain, garbage
need-
bags or something.
We need more
That's what your
empathy and common sense to clean up and maintain what we have over
We
here.
can keep a small dustbin here so that people can throw this shampoo sachets in that.
You know what, Junaid? you get the medal of the day for talking the most, you know,
Thank you, bro.
empathetic
Like
thing,
a very sensible.
and he cares about the environment. So you get a star. Star, that's it.
Means a lot. Thank you.